This 2024 CrossRoads Volante TEXAN 3.4BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Kerrville, Texas, 78028 and is offered for sale by McClains RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used CrossRoads is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, water heater, LP detector, microwave, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, awning, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, skylight, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, couples coach, front bedroom, front entertainment, front kitchen, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 CrossRoads Volante TEXAN 3.4BH is 7,658 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.